Welcome to Budget Built Garage. This channel's purpose is to show folks that you don't need a big budget in order to build things and ultimately enjoy life. I'm just your average, ordinary working guy who likes to tinker around with things and avoid costly repairs being performed by actual professionals. I, like many folks, don't have an unlimited budget to spend on my toys. But over the years, I've managed to buy a couple really nice projects thanks to my wonderful wife who tolerates my bad behavior. I really started this channel to get back out in the shop and my yard and stop making excuses as to why I haven't gotten around to my many projects and getting them back on the road yet. I've mainly focused on repairing our various daily drivers, and I generally perform improvements on the homestead. Today I will be starting a brand new build series which focuses on building a highly capable off-road vehicle that we can use to go out and enjoy the great outdoors that won't break the bank. While marketing folks seem to promote that the only way a person and or the family can live out these adventures is to purchase a brand new side-by-side, a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, Rubicon of course, or even the new Ford Bronco with 35-inch tires obviously. While they're absolutely awesome in their own right, they're actually not a requirement. Many folks dream of the fun they'd have enjoying dodgy back roads, going on the occasional off-road park, or even having an overland adventure. But then reality crashes the party and we end up saying, well, not today, but one day I can afford X and I'm going to go out and do that. I want to show people that they can get out there today and start living these adventures.